Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now in this video I will show you how to watch R-rated movies on your Disney Plus. As you know, what you will have to first do is you will have to go to your edit profile section. It will look like this, and then just go and click on your edit button right here. Now once you click on that edit button, you will basically have something like this, right? So on the left side, again, this is on mobile, but you can do this on your computer, on your TV as well. So on your mobile and on your computer, it will look pretty much similar, as well as on your, Samsung TV, for example. So here, go to your content rating. You will have to put in the pin if you have a pin. And then on the content rating, you can put all the content rating right here. Or you can also put, if it says 18 plus, put 18 plus until you see 18 plus, right? Then you click apply or you click save, and yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see here, you can see that you have a couple of categories, right? So select all of your categories and then you hit save. So that's pretty much how to do it. Very simple, very easy. If you have any questions regarding Disney Plus settings, or you want to know more about how to change something on Disney Plus, we are posting 5 tutorials a day on Disney Plus. So if you want to know more, definitely subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.